Are you looking for a local dealer or distributor that carries your Friedrich product? Well, the Where to Buy section of the website was created just for that. From any page on Friedrich.com, you'll see the Where to Buy in the submenu header. If you're a homeowner or consumer looking for a retailer near you, you can click from the home page or from any section under the consumer pages. For professionals, just make sure that you have selected the professional menu at the very top header to access products sold to HVAC professionals. Once you've done that, the process is the same. Click on Where to Buy, and then just enter your zip code in the search section. Then select a product category and hit search. A listing of dealers closest to you will show up. Be sure to click on the plus Show Offerings at this location to expand and see specifically what products are sold. We always ask that you contact the dealer to verify, since availability is subject to change based on inventory. That's it. We hope this video was helpful, and we thank you for your interest in Friedrich